Hi everyone, we're going to find the value of a divided by 2b for any x for the equation 3x minus 5a equals 2bx plus 6. A and b are constants is always true. Alright, basically what we're going to do is equate coefficients and find a and b, so we can take a and divide it by 2b. Therefore, what we're going to do is write this as 3x minus 5a equals 2bx plus 6. So to find a and b, we're going to group our x's together. So we're going to have 3x minus 2bx, and these two will be our constants. So this is going to be 6. Let's put 5a plus 6. All right, now I'm going to factor out an x. So we're going to get 3 minus 2b times x equals 5a plus 6. Now if you notice, we don't have an x on this side of the equation, but I could write one here as plus 0x. So when I mean equate coefficients, I mean we're equating these two together because they both have x. All right, so we're going to write 3 minus 2b equals 0. Now, this is our constant. We don't have a constant on the left-hand side, so we could just put a 0 there and equate this to 0. And remember, if you do x's, we could do x to the power of 0. X to the power of 0 is equal to 1. So we could write this as 5a plus 6 times x to the power of 0. All right, so what we're doing is we're equating these two coefficients with our constant term. So we're going to write 5a plus 6 equals 0. Now all we have to do is solve for b and a. So for this one, we're going to get 3 equals 2b, and b equals 3/2. And for this one, we're going to get 5a equals negative 6, so a equals negative 6 divided by 5. Okay, from there, I'm going to write this down again. Our a was negative 6/5, and our b was 3 divided by 2. And we're going to evaluate a divided by 2b. So just substitute everything in. Our a is negative 6 divided by 5, and our b, this is going to be 2 times b, 3/2. Well, here the 2's cancel, and you can just multiply these two right here if you want. Basically, this is negative 6/5 divided by 3, which is the same as negative 6/5 times the reciprocal of this, so it's 1/3. So that's why we get negative 6 divided by 15. That's why you can just multiply these two here. And then if you simplify this and divide each of these terms by 3, we're going to get negative 2 divided by 5. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.